Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to test this Aveda Botanical Repair Shampoo. I'm gonna wash my hair and I will show you result. Alright guys, I love this shampoo. It has beautiful smell, very light smell. Let me show you condensity. This is how it's look like. You just need small amount to apply on your hair. Alright, let me dry my hair. Wow, I love it. My hair is so soft right now. Here's the result. My hair feels so soft on touch. It's voluminous, very clean. Let me show you from the back. I will definitely recommend you to buy this Aveda Botanic Repair Shampoo. You can find this product on Amazon.